Welcome back, folks. 877-927-6648. Let's go over to our man, Mr. Basil Chapman. He is going to be doing an outstanding workshop for you tonight, folks, from 5 to 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. Real easy to sign up. Just come over to our website at TFNN. You'll see right on the front page under featured content, the opening call. You can hit that button. You subscribe. You can subscribe for 1 month, 6 months, a year. They all come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you, bottom line, have zero risk. Basil's going to be, the title of his workshop is The Chapman Wave Tools That Helped Identify the Market's Last Top and What to Expect as we go into the new year, into 2019. What's happening, brother?
Hi, Tom. How are you?
I'm doing great, man. Yourself?
Very good, thank you.
Good. So what are we going to be talking about tonight, Basil?
Just finishing the last touches of my presentation.
The maestro's finishing the last touches. It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, right. I like that. So, yeah, we're looking at, what were the technical tools in the Chapman Wave methodology that helped identify the top? And now what we're looking at is all the support levels. What works? What moving averages will work? What is the MACD? You can see here on the chart on the left side, we've got the MACD pulling back sharply. It's just now flattening out. The stochastic has started to flatten out. How are we going to use those tools, and how are we going to be able to identify, and what are we going to do in this next phase? Because certainly by any means, the market is very oversold, but there are a lot of things out there that are just anything can happen over the next week up to the midterm elections. How are we going to deal with that? What are we looking for the rest of the year going into early new year? And that's very important. So I'm talking about the technical tools. I'm talking about the candles. Look at the candle. Spend a lot of time now on the candle of the monthly charts, the Dow, the S&P, the IWM,
yes,
the Qs. Very important how we close tomorrow and all the implications. So this is a very detailed webinar. You'll be able to listen to it as many times as possible, but it's very practical because invariably from my webinars, we start putting on positions based on our outlook and what I'm looking for and why we're looking at these particular positions. And we remain short the Dow and we are short the SMHs. How we deal with that, that's what we're going to discuss tonight.
And folks, it's real easy to come into it. Just go over to our website at TFNN. You're going to see right under featured content, the opening call. You hit the subscribe button. A month, 6 months, a year, your choice. They all come out with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You're going to be in a great workshop. And if you can't make it, basically in person right there, folks, you don't have to worry about it. We get some great technology. It'll be on your page. You can go over it as many times as you like. Basil, you have a great one, a safe one. Of course, I know you're wrapping it up. So bottom line, we'll let you go, and we look forward to the workshop at 5 o'clock.
Thank you very much, Tom. Have a great evening.
Thank you so much.